Drying apples is basically simple, but there are some challenges to it. In general, what you need to do is cut slices and freeze them and then dry them. I would suggest slices with a maximum of 10 millimeters of height. However, some apples tend to be extremely hygrophile, so they will absorb humidity immediately after you open the machine. And one way to avoid this is to very shortly cook the apple before freezing it. Really just cook it for some seconds so that the cells on the surface will change its structure and will keep the humidity from going into the apple. That depends on the apple. It's something that has to be experimented with a little bit. Otherwise, drying is fairly easy and simple. One funny trick maybe that you might be interested is to dry the apple and after drying, soak it with wine or with champagne or with sweet liquor and then freeze it again. That adds a very interesting and funny taste to the apple, and it's a nice product.